Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and then suddenly nothing comes out?
Like your mind goes blank?
Exactly. Your heart beats fast, your hands feel cold, and you think, what if I make a mistake?
Or worse, what if people laugh at me?
Yes, that fear, that small voice inside your head, stopping you.
You know what's interesting? Most English learners are not weak, they're just afraid.
Afraid of speaking, afraid of being judged, afraid of sounding not perfect.
But here is the truth. No one becomes perfect before speaking.
They become better by speaking.
So today, we're going to talk about something very real.
How to speak English without fear.
Hey everyone!
Hello guys, welcome back.
To Mutual English Center.
We are so happy you are here.
Today's topic is very important. Very emotional too.
Yes, because fear is something every learner feels.
Even I felt it before.
Same here, many times.
So don't worry, you are not alone.
Today we will talk like friends, real talk.
Stories, problems, solutions, everything.
So relax and listen carefully. Mia, why do people feel afraid to speak English?
Good question. I think the biggest reason is fear of mistakes.
Yes, people think if I say something wrong, people will judge me.
But honestly, making mistakes is normal.
Very normal.
Even children make mistakes when learning their first language,
True, a baby doesn't say perfect sentences.
but they keep trying.
They don't feel shame.
Exactly. But adults, we think too much.
We care too much about what others think.
And that creates fear.
Another reason is lack of confidence.
Yes, when you don't trust yourself, even simple words feel difficult.
You know the word, but you don't say it.
Because your mind says, what if it's wrong?
That what if is very dangerous.
Let's talk about overthinking.
Oh yes, that's a big problem.
Many learners try to make a perfect sentence before speaking.
They think grammar, tense, vocabulary, everything at once.
And what happens?
They stay silent.
Exactly.
Instead of saying something simple like, I go market, they think, should I say went, going, will go?
And finally, they say nothing.
Silence wins.
But speaking broken English is better than silence.
Always better. Let me tell you a story.
I like stories.
There was a student named Rahim.
Okay,
He knew many English words,
that's good.
but he never spoke
Why?
because he was afraid of mistakes.
Very common.
One day, I told him, just say anything. Don't think too much.
What did he do?
He said, I am go school yesterday.
Not perfect.
Not perfect, but guess what?
He spoke.
Yes, that was his first step.
That's powerful
After 1 month, his sentences improved.
because he practiced.
Exactly.
I also have a story.
Tell me,
There was a girl, very shy.
introvert?
Yes, very quiet. So I gave her a small task.
What task?
Say hello to one person every day.
Simple.
Very simple, but powerful.
What happened?
After 1 week, she smiled more.
Nice.
After 1 month, she started short conversations.
Amazing.
Step by step, fear became smaller.
Let's talk about real-life situations.
Yes, very important.
Imagine you are in a shop.
Okay?
You want to say, how much is this?
Simple sentence.
But fear comes.
Your mind says, what if I say it wrong?
Then you stay silent.
But you could just say, price?
Yes, even one word works.
Another situation, talking with friends.
Hmm,
You want to practice English.
but you feel shy.
You think they will laugh.
But real friends support you.
Yes, and if they laugh,
Find better friends.
yeah, true.
What about classroom?
Many students are silent there.
Teacher asks a question.
Everyone looks down
Nobody wants to answer.
because of fear.
But answering is practice.
Even wrong answers help you learn.
Mia, I think mindset is everything.
I agree.
Negative mindset says, I can't speak.
Positive mindset says, I am learning.
Small difference, big impact.
Very big.
If you say, my English is bad, you feel weak.
But if you say, my English is improving, you feel strong.
Your words control your feelings.
And your feelings control your actions.
Confidence doesn't come in one day.
No, it takes time.
Step by step.
Like climbing stairs.
First step, speak small sentences.
Second step, speak daily.
Third step, speak with people.
And slowly, confidence grows.
Like a plant.
Yes, you water it every day.
Let's be honest, fear is painful.
Yes, it stops dreams.
Maybe you want a job,
But interview needs English.
and fear stops you,
Maybe you want to travel.
but you feel shy to speak.
Fear creates limits.
But courage breaks limits.
Courage is not no fear.
Courage is speaking even with fear.
That's powerful.
Very powerful.
Let's give some simple tips.
Yes, practical tips.
Even 5 minutes.
Talk to yourself.
Example, I am eating rice.
Simple but useful.
Don't translate always.
Look at a fan, say fan.
See water, say water.
Train your brain.
Use your phone.
Speak and listen.
You will see your mistakes.
And improve.
Mistakes are friends.
Not enemies.
They help you grow.
Find people who practice English.
Talk together.
Support each other.
English is not just a language.
It's a tool
For jobs,
for study,
for travel.
for making friends.
So don't let fear stop you.
Start small, but start today.
Let's talk about myths.
Oh, yes.
Myth 1, you must be perfect.
Wrong.
No one is perfect.
Myth 2, people will laugh.
Most people don't care.
And good people support you.
Another problem, comparison.
Comparing with others.
He speaks better than me.
But everyone has a different journey.
Focus on yourself.
What about introverts?
Important topic.
Introverts feel more fear.
Yes, but they can learn too.
Start alone.
Then slowly talk to others. So, what did we learn today?
Fear is normal.
Mistakes are okay.
Speaking is practice.
And confidence grows slowly.
Remember, don't wait to be perfect.
Start speaking today.
Even small words.
Even broken sentences.
Because action beats fear.
If you liked this,
Don't forget to like
subscribe.
and share with your friends.
We're here to support you.
Always.
See you next time.
At Mutual English Center.